Alrighty, folks, this is Destiny, and I am about to do a quick review of the Sonos One SL, which I just purchased actually for my husband's birthday, but it's really for me. So, anywho, um, after purchasing it, I found out that Sonos had partnered with Ikea and created another speaker that is or can be used in conjunction with the Sonos app. It's actually half the price of the speaker that you're looking at. And I'm like, okay, let me find out if it might be worth switching out some of the Sonos One speakers and replacing them with some of the Sonos Ikea speakers. So, this is the speaker. This is the box that it came in. So, move that over there. And this is the Sonos One box right here. So you can see, yeah, just kind of like see it. All right, now I'm gonna move this out of the way, and I'm going to show you the IKEA box, which you can already see it doesn't even fit completely in the frame. I'm thinking the name of this is Symfonisk. So, you know how IKEA is, the names sometimes are not that easy to pronounce. So anyway, it's pretty substantial sized box compared to the Sonos One box. Like if I turn it up side by side, let's see. You can see now, I think. Yeah, so let's see. All right, let me see. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of this box and open up this box. And get something to open it. So let's see. And comes with the instructions, blah blah blah. All right, so it has a Ethernet cord, power cord, which I think these were the two cords that came with the Sonos One too. Okay, so first thoughts. Actually, I think it's switch it this way. Okay, so first thoughts, I think it's a pretty attractive speaker. However, it's definitely taller than the Sonos One. Let's see if you can see. Yeah, you see, it's a little bit slimmer, but it's definitely taller. The thing about, I think, the IKEA speaker is that you're supposed to be able to mount it either, this is the back of it, you're supposed to be able to mount it either vertically or horizontally, and you could actually use it like a shelf or something like that. So anywho's, basically I'm going to connect this and plug it into my Sonos or connect it to my Sonos app, and then we're just going to test out the sound. That's pretty much what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to pause the video and get it connected. Be back in a second.